Tech is changing everything, how we live, work, and solve problems. Are you ready to lead that change? Welcome to the future of innovation. Welcome to the Master in Applied Computing at Perdana University.
Good day to you. My name is Dr. Ilangovan. I'm from FAST faculty, Faculty of Applied Science and Technology. This program actually combines some theoretical computing knowledge with a practical application to solve the real-time problems in the world right now. Okay, so that shows if you look at the current industry, the current world that we are going through, there are many problems that we actually come across. But by going through this program, for sure you guys going to be engaging with the various technology, with application, so that the problem solving, the cycle will be much more easier. And then they might going to get a lot of understanding in terms of the application so far. This program can be taken by any students, any person who actually has some background on this IT, okay, even non-IT. So both the categories of people, they can go for this program actually, because the IT for everybody. This actually reflects many things that we can say. There are two things I mentioned earlier. For practical knowledge, even for their theoretical knowledge. Okay, anything that they're going to go through, they need these two knowledge. Could be very much important for them. So by going through this program, actually, they're actually going to go through as many areas. Yeah, they can venture into many areas, such as software development, cyber security, data science, data analytics. Okay, there are many field they can venture into it, and then this really going to make them feel more valuable, the way they're going to go through the future career from their side. Okay, if you look at the career, pathway, so that's very clear earlier, the way I mentioned the area the student going to go to. Number one, the student actually can be the lecturer, of course, they can teach, those IT, computer science, subjects. Plus, they can be a good researcher, IT researcher, okay. Then they can be data analytics, yeah. Even they can be software engineers, yeah. So all this going to be the popular, field they can venture into it, yeah. At Perdana University, yeah. So we actually running through this program with a lot of experts, in the field. And then if you look at the infrastructure, we do have the infrastructure for them to come and have some practical and theoretical understanding about this
program. Plus the strategy going to be something very important. I would say the PU actually strategize in the very a strategized location. Yeah, whereby we have many access for the student go through, and then they can reach us as fast as possible. Yeah. This program actually catered for full-timer and part-timer together. Full-timer, they can go through this program for 1.5 years. Part-timers, they can go through for 2 years, 4 months, roughly. The duration, okay, if you look at the duration of this part-time and full-timer, they're going to have several subjects. After they went through, the subjects, by semester, they can major their subject into 3 different areas. Number 1, data science. Number 2, artificial intelligence. Number 3, web development. This will be the 3 specializations they can go through by taking up on this Master in Applied Computing. Thanks a lot.
Ready to advance your career in tech? Join the Master in Applied Computing at Perdana University.